Downloading data from Lyft can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. Here is a simple guide to help you retrieve your data. Step 1. Log into your Lyft account. Visit the Lyft website or open the Lyft app and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the account from which you want to download data. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, go to your account settings. This is usually found in the menu, often represented by the profile picture or an icon in the top corner of the screen. Step 3. Find the data request option. Look for an option related to data or privacy settings. This may be labeled as download your data, request data, or something similar. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Submit your data requests. Follow the prompts to submit your request for data. You may need to specify what type of data you want to download, such as ride history, payment information, or other personal data. Step 5. Check your email for the data link. After submitting your request, check your email for a confirmation message from Lyft. They will send you a link to download your data once it is ready. Follow the instructions in the email to access your data. By following these steps, you can successfully download your data from Lyft. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Lyft's customer support for assistance.